What if I told you that in just the last few years, scientists have discovered things that completely rewrite what we thought we knew about the universe, life, and even reality itself, from invisible crystals that seem to break the rules of time? Two possible signs of life on distant worlds. This decade has been nothing short of marvelous. Welcome to the Science Spark, where curiosity meets discovery. These time crystals don't exist in nature. They were created in a lab. They represent a brand new state of matter, different from solids, liquids, or gases. This isn't just a cool party trick. It opens the door to creating ultra-stable quantum computers and exploring a whole new realm of physics we're just beginning to understand. It's matter that literally has its own built-in clock. Next, we didn't just imagine black holes anymore. We actually saw one. It was a fuzzy orange donut of light, but it was real. And the discoveries didn't stop there. And the chaotic dance of superheated plasma being pulled into the abyss. Now, let's talk about a technology that could change our world forever. Room temperature superheat. For decades, scientists have dreamed of materials that can carry electricity with zero resistance. That means no energy loss, no overheating. This hints at a future with magnetically levitating trains, perfectly efficient power grids that save massive amounts of energy, and other mind-blowing technologies we can barely imagine. From the impossibly large to the microscopically small, let's travel to our planetary neighbor, Venus. The discovery of a gas called phosphine in its atmosphere absolutely shocked the world. Why? Because here on Earth, phosphine is almost always associated with life, specifically microbes that live in oxygen-free environments. Now, the finding is still heavily debated, and it's far from confirmed proof of alien life. But it forced us to look at Venus, a planet we once thought was a dead, hellish landscape, in a completely new light. It reopened one of the biggest questions of all. Are we truly alone in the universe? This technology allows scientists to edit DNA with incredible precision, like a word processor for the code of life. This decade, we saw it move from the lab into clinical trials. Scientists have used it to treat genetic blindness, giving sight back to people who couldn't see. They've used it to tackle devastating blood disorders like sickle cell anemia. For the first time in history, humanity has the power to rewrite our own genetic code, offering hope for diseases once thought incurable. And what about our closest celestial neighbor, the Moon? We've always wondered if there was water there, and this decade we got a definitive answer: yes. We confirmed that water is trapped on the Moon, not just in permanently shadowed craters at the poles, but also locked away in tiny glass beads scattered across the lunar surface, formed by meteorite impacts. This is a game changer for space exploration. It means future astronauts could potentially harvest this water to drink, to grow food, or even to split it into hydrogen and oxygen to create rocket fuel. A sustainable base on the Moon just got a whole lot more realistic. Finally, we have to talk about the James Webb Space Telescope. Since it started sending back images, it has been completely rewriting our understanding of the cosmos. Every single picture seems to break a record. It has revealed galaxies that are far older and more developed than our theories thought possible, challenging our models of the early universe. It's shown us giant stars we never knew existed and peered into the atmospheres of planets orbiting distant stars, looking for clues about their composition. The Webb telescope isn't just an observatory, it's a time machine and a discovery engine, showing us a universe that is far more vast, complex, and beautiful than we ever imagined. And these are just a handful of the incredible scientific discoveries that have been shaking our world. From rewriting the laws of physics to potentially finding life beyond Earth, we are living in an unbelievable era of discovery. Which one of these breakthroughs surprised you the most? Let me know down in the comments. If you love science as much as we do, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the Science Spark, where curiosity never stops shining. Thanks for watching.